Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Edge transmission slipping issue and the potential problems behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Transmission slipping in the Ford Edge is commonly described as delayed acceleration, engine revving without a corresponding increase in vehicle speed, unexpected gear changes, or the transmission failing to stay in gear under load. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive transmission data indicate that slipping concerns can occur across multiple Ford Edge model years, with relevance depending on transmission type, control strategy, and maintenance history. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves transmission fluid condition or level. Low fluid levels, degraded fluid, or incorrect fluid specification can reduce hydraulic pressure and cause clutches to slip during gear engagement. Another confirmed cause relates to clutch or band wear inside the transmission. Over time, friction components can wear, reducing their ability to hold gears under load. Transmission control module behavior is also a documented factor. Control logic or calibration issues can result in improper clutch application timing or pressure, leading to perceived slipping. Valve body operation is another verified consideration. Wear, sticking valves, or pressure regulation issues within the valve body can disrupt fluid flow needed for proper gear engagement. Torque converter performance is an additional confirmed aspect. Internal converter issues can cause slipping sensations during acceleration or cruising. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include overheating transmission fluid, recent service affecting fluid level accuracy, or adaptive learning behavior following battery disconnection. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include checking transmission fluid level and condition, scanning for diagnostic fault codes, performing software updates or adaptive relearns when applicable, inspecting valve body and clutch operation, and addressing torque converter concerns if confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and transmission-specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Edge transmission slipping concerns are addressed through fluid service, software updates, or component-level repairs rather than complete transmission replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, transmission configuration, and service history. In conclusion, Ford Edge transmission slipping is typically linked to fluid condition issues, internal clutch wear, control module behavior, valve body operation, or torque converter performance. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.